Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, welcome to my guide, and thank you for tuning in to another one of our essential oil breakdowns. Today we're going to be diving into Helichrysum Italicum, which is much easier to pronounce than the previous video. My goodness, thank goodness for that. In any case, it is a relatively safe oil, same with the last one. Comes from a flower and still has that kind of price bump in it, more than likely just due to overall availability of the plant itself. In any case, before we dive into the profile, always consult your doctor before use. Just because it's relatively safe does not mean you as an individual might not be particularly, or it might react particularly volatile on your skin, so just please clear it with a doctor, follow all safety recommendations, all that good stuff. In any case, let's dive into its profile. Its scent is most commonly described as having a rich, sweet, floral, and earthy aroma. Its uses are actually pretty wide and varied. Muscular aches and pains, abscesses, acne, boils, bronchial congestion, burns, cuts, dermatitis, eczema, irritated skin, wounds, nervous exhaustion, and stress. And I want to say in all of these it's super effective. I've also seen a lot of people say that it really does help with healing. I haven't found any studies to verify that, but these people are usually quite trustworthy. And I mean, it does help with cuts, so it does make sense, but in terms of how much it aids healing, I don't know. I honestly couldn't tell you. But a lot of people seem to bring it up, so take their word for it. Method of extraction is steam distilled, and it blends well with basil, black cumin, black pepper, cedarwood, frankincense, lavender, lemon, peppermint, and wintergreen. I would also say pine, but that's just me. Under notes, you'll see if oxidized, it may cause irritation, which of course is true with all essential oils, so just make sure you're taking proper care of them and it shouldn't really be an issue. Now let's dive into its history here. It is sometimes called the curry plant because of the strong smell of its leaves. Other common names include Italian strawflower and immortelle. It grows on dry, rocky, or sandy ground around the Mediterranean. This plant is sometimes used as a spice. Although called a curry plant and smelling like curry powder, it is not related with this mixture of spices nor with the curry tree, and is not used in Malaysia for curry dishes either. Very interesting stuff. I gotta say, I haven't smelt the plant, but I'll take their word for it. I don't really get a curry smell from the oil, but maybe that's just me. In any case, let's do a quick DIY recipe here. This one is called Swell No More, particularly useful for sports athletes or people who commonly frequent the gym. 3 drops Helichrysum Italicum, 3 drops Copaiba, 1 drop peppermint, and 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, and then you just massage it into the desired area. Very cool stuff. I really do like these massage oil recipes. They're quite easy to make and very easy to store as well, which is certainly nice. Just put it in a nice little rolly bottle and just call it a day. Really, it's that simple. That being said, if you'd like to add Helichrysum Italicum to your library, or if you just want to top up or do some experiments or get a feel for it, please do check out Rocky Mountain Oils, links down beneath in the description. And if you have any thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, or recipes of your own, please do put them down beneath in the comment section as well. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate it. I hope you all have a great day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.